Hi, and welcome to the We Gonna Make It podcast show, where we'll discuss the latest trends in technology and how they affect our daily lives. Today, we'll be exploring Web3 based gaming, which represents a substantial departure from traditional gaming platforms. Web3 gaming allows players to immerse themselves in games in decentralized, innovative, and novel ways. Unlike traditional gaming, where game content and other assets can be purchased or earned as a reward, Web3 gaming allows gamers to earn value for time spent playing. The gamers can earn via cryptocurrency and NFTs, both of which are quite popular at the moment. Alright, before we deep dive into Web3 gaming, let's try and understand the fundamentals of Web3. Web3 is an evolution of the current web, which is often referred to as Web2. While Web2 was primarily focused on connecting people and information, Web3 aims to create a decentralized internet that is more secure, transparent, and user-centric. The principles of Web3 are as follows. First, decentralization. One of the core principles of Web3 is decentralization, which means that data and applications are stored and run on distributed networks rather than on centralized servers. This allows for greater security, transparency, and resilience. Second, openness. Web3 is open source, meaning that its code is publicly available and can be audited by anyone. This promotes transparency and accountability and allows for more collaborative approach to development. Third, privacy. Web3 places a high value on user privacy and seeks to protect it through various technologies such as encryption and decentralized identity systems. Fourth, interoperability. Web3 aims to create a network of interconnected applications and systems that can communicate with each other seamlessly. This allows for greater flexibility and innovation and reduces the risk of vendor lock-in. Fifth, trust. Web3 aims to build trust between different parties by creating a more transparent and accountable system, which is achieved through technologies such as blockchain, which provides a tamper-proof and verifiable record of transactions. Overall, the principles of Web3 reflect a shift towards a more democratic and user-centric internet that is less controlled by large corporations and more accessible to everyone. So Web3 and blockchain are different entities. One is the means blockchain to the end Web3. Blockchain is the technology that enables Web3 to function. Using blockchain technology, Web3 was created and all data are hosted on peer-to-peer networks. This mode of operation guarantees security and independence from manipulation and alteration that traditional internet or Web2 did not have. This type of gaming uses blockchain technology to remain decentralized and offers more features to the players. Some of these games are CryptoKitties, Axie Infinity, Decentraland, Alien World, and FOMO 3D. Blockchain-based games feature a decentralized paradigm, which means that gamers own their own data files and may use them in any other blockchains if needed. So let's try and get into the core of it. Web3 games are played similarly to traditional online games, with players accessing the game through a web browser or a specialized application. However, the difference lies in the underlying technology used to build and run the game. In Web3 games, the game data is stored and processed on a decentralized network of computers rather than on a centralized server. This allows for greater security, transparency, and independence from a single entity's control. Furthermore, Web3 games are typically designed to incorporate blockchain technology and often involve the use of cryptocurrency or NFTs. The type of interactions available in Web3 games can vary, but many games include elements such as player versus player battles, character customizations, and quests. The way players interact with these elements can differ from traditional online games and can vary depending on specific game and its mechanics. One significant difference between Web3 and Web2 games is the way in which in-game assets are handled. In Web3 games, players own the assets they acquire within the game rather than the game operator owning them. This allows for greater flexibility and control over in-game assets, such as ability to trade or sell these assets outside the game environment if needed. Another key difference is the earn as you play model that is common in Web3 games. Players can earn cryptocurrencies or NFT by playing the game, providing a financial incentive for continued play. This is in contrast to Web2 games where typically they pay a flat fee to access the game or pay for in-game items using fiat currency. Overall, Web3 games offer a more decentralized and a player-centric approach to online gaming, the greater control over in-game assets and financial rewards for continued play. As the technology behind Web3 continues to evolve, it is likely that we will see even more innovative and unique game mechanics that set Web3 games apart from traditional online games. Alright, now that we've understood the advantages of Web3 gaming, let's try and understand some challenges in the industry. Web3 games can be more complex and difficult to understand than traditional online games due to the underlying blockchain technology and due to the steep learning curve of cryptocurrencies and NFTs. Now, since Web3 games are built on decentralized networks, they can be susceptible to technical issues and network congestion. This can lead to slow loading times, lag, or other technical issues that can impact the game experience. The lack of regulation in cryptocurrency and blockchain space means that Web3 games can be susceptible to scams, hacks, or other fraudulent activities. Players must exercise caution and research games thoroughly before playing or investing. Also, while Web3 games are growing in popularity, they are still relatively new and have limited adoption compared to traditional online games. This can make it difficult to find opponents or to sell in-game assets outside the game ecosystem. So overall, while Web3 games offer several advantages over traditional online games, they also present some unique challenges and potential disadvantages that players should consider before investing their time or money into these games. So now comes the exciting part where we try and understand what sort of games are available in the space and how do people interact with them. Axie Infinity is a blockchain-based game that has gained immense popularity in the recent years. It is a Pokemon-inspired game where players can battle, breed, and trade cute creatures called Axies. On the other hand, Decentraland is a virtual world that is entirely built and owned by its users. It allows players to create, experience, and monetize content and applications. CryptoKitties is a game where players can breed, collect, and trade digital cats, while Sandbox is a digitized gaming platform that allows players to create, share, and monetize their own gaming experiences. This has been gaining traction in the Web3 space and has recently partnered with several major brands across the globe. Gods Unchained is a blockchain-based trading card game that allows players to collect, trade, battle, and earn rewards, while Splinterlands is a fantasy trading card game that runs on the Steam blockchain. F1 Delta Time is a blockchain-based racing game that allows players to buy and trade unique Formula 1 cars and compete in races, while Crypto Heroes is a blockchain-based role-playing game that allows players to collect and trade historical heroes. So wrapping this up, to upgrade from Web2 to Web3 gaming, developers can implement a system of integrating tokens, transform games to NFTs, or develop games possessing NFT traits. Web3 gaming offers many benefits such as data ownership, getting paid in crypto, using and trading NFTs, and becoming a member of the metaverse community. However, it comes with its challenges such as play to earn becoming an unsustainable option or primitive blockchain games becoming redundant over time. So in conclusion, I feel Web3 gaming will prove to be the future of gaming as it offers much more than traditional games. With decentralized systems, it is more accessible, prioritizes user experience, offers more incentive and better support. Thank you for listening to We Gonna Make It podcast show where we explore latest trends in technology, We hope this was informative and see you in the next one. Goodbye.